very violent ways toward.
I got a feeling that you're gonna turn right on red when there's a no turn on red sign right there, right by the traffic light. You can't miss it. Yep, there you go. And you're from Connecticut too. I'm glad I don't live there no more.
That don't demand others just fall in line, but are focused on a type of self-sacrifice that will hopefully help others find flourishing in the common good.
That was a dual turn fail.
Yeah, so I think there's
just
a lot of
dive for the left
variation.
turn lane.
It's for health plans and for consumers.
Now, I want to pick up from
Really?
that,
No
maybe
stop.
Since most of us are coming from the perspective of a patient, someone who goes to the pharmacy and they're picking up their prescription.
Come on, guys, speed up.
Quite often surprised by the prices.
Your life is
right. But I was also gifted in that area.
No,
so
stop.
it was such a weird thing, but every decision that I made. No, I'm setting boundaries for myself for the first time in my life.
That was a no stop
No.
up there.
No.
Ram drivers
and
are the
so
worst.
They didn't tell me.
We're careful of all these things. So, anyway. Yeah.
Oh, left turn, regret.
2 minutes left in that.
He's doing all the things right, and there's enough support on both sides for him to be elected time and time again. So great, awesome. More blue for us. More blue gubernatorial.
Around the world, we're in America.
Yeah.
So I'm not one of these people who's bothered by him publicizing these good acts that he does.
Honestly, Jesus, you know what's funny is that
Exit dive.
It was a real sort of case study.
I wonder what the
again,
stripy
as
lines are for.
Popular culture and story can actually have an effect.
They pretty much stand in one place and say a few lines, which, like,
No stop, Spectrum. No stop, Spectrum. You guys charge too much for internet. Stop it! Also, you guys need to have fiber optic in my area soon. I'm tired of waiting for it.
Getting the ice from ship to land to the Panama Ice House, a distance of 2 miles, another 400 tons melted.
Holy shit.
Yep.
Oh, he hit. And it survived. Woo!
Already thinking about next week. They got most of their starting defense out, and they're taking 10 and 30-yard drops. And then boy, spinning the ball nice. Oh yeah, of course, late in the game, spinning it nice. When you get down 14-0 in the first quarter of the game, and you're being honest about what you're watching, you know they're not winning the game. That's all there is to it. You just know they're not winning.
Exit dive.
They're down 14-0.
Having been over the ground, having decided that the job was to be half again greater than previously declared.
Why are you on the wrong side of the road?
The total cost of the engineers in France, other than the military engineers, the ingénieurs de l'État, who had been trained first at the École Polytechnique.
Messel left. Yeah, hi. Yeah, keep waving at him.
And the ingénieurs civils. Headed by Gaston Blanchet and by Armand Reclus, who was the new general agent of the canal.
No stop.
And his assistant, Louis Verbru.
Idiot.
Yeah, let's text about it.
What are you guys doing? They're freaking jaywalking Canadians. Stop it!
Body work. So we're gonna see.
Now we obviously
must have interviewed
Bird.
Cashman has made the statements
for a refund, blaming them for the out-of-control costs. But none of those accusations ever
Red light run, red light run, red light run. marching. You did not stop. Really? Missile left.
It is being written, and most of it is being written in or being gathered and collated. Some of the traditions probably date to earlier, around that time period.
Let's get off.
But we have this idea.
There was, however, one quite pleasant section of the town at the northern end of the island,
Nice cut off.
near a tremendous iron lighthouse.
As healers. But back in 1890, there was a German man named Jean Bungartz who
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Gave me a big bear hug. It was unbelievable. It was unbelievable. I got to play Madison Square Garden with Andrew Johnson.
Exit dive.
21-year-old
Toyo Tart.
way back in 1989.
sit with him, beside him, comforting him, so that he would not die alone. In 19...
Nice cut off, nice exit dive. Ooh, and an even worse exit dive ahead over up there in front of the logs. Or I think those are Christmas trees. It's Christmas time. Christmas is in the air. It's starting to get cold out. I hate it. Alright, let's see how many people screw this up. They got a whole lot here. And I think that Tesla-looking thing is lost. They're stopping. Okay. They stopped there. Let's see what that stupid... Oh, he's not going yet. Okay, well, that white car did stop. Let's see what the stupid Jeep-looking thing ran a little bit, kind of rolled it. The Chevy Big Dick truck, he stopped. Okay, Utica just rolls right through like there's no one there, which of course someone was there. Dodge Ram rolled it because Dodge Ram drivers are stupid. I'm speaking from experience, and yep, that's big old stop sign that everyone runs through, that everyone ignores here in Utica.